pay your Walmart Mastercard bill online, follow these steps. Access Walmart credit card account. Visit the official Walmart credit card website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you may need to register. Navigate to Payments section. Once logged in, find a section dedicated to payments or credit card management. This may be under the Account Services or Payments tab. Choose Payment Method. Select your preferred payment method. You may be able to use a bank account, debit card, or other accepted payment methods. Enter payment details. Input the necessary payment details, including the amount you want to pay and the source of the funds. Select payment date. Choose the payment date and review the details before proceeding. Submit payment. Submit the payment through the online platform. Some systems allow you to set up recurring payments for convenience. Receive confirmation. After a successful transaction, you should receive a confirmation message. Additionally, check your credit card statement for the updated payment information.